To use Delta E credit on Expedia, follow these simple steps. First, understand what Delta E credit is. Delta E credit is a voucher provided by Delta Airlines to compensate passengers for flight disruptions or cancellations. Next, go to the Expedia website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one. On the Expedia homepage, click on the Book a Flight tab and enter your travel details, including destination, travel dates, and number of passengers. Before proceeding to payment, click on the link that says Apply a voucher or credit. Enter your Delta E credit voucher number and the last name of the passenger. The voucher amount will be deducted from your total fare. If the voucher amount exceeds the fare, the remaining amount will be forfeited. Ensure you use the voucher for a Delta Airlines flight, as it is not applicable to other airlines. To maximize the use of your Delta E credit, book a flight that is close to the voucher expiration date. Also, be aware of any fare sales or discounts that may reduce the total fare, allowing you to use the voucher more efficiently. When using Delta E credit on Expedia, note that it cannot be combined with other promotions or discounts. Additionally, the voucher is non-transferable and can only be used by the passenger named on the voucher. Finally, review your booking details carefully before confirming payment to ensure the voucher has been applied correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully use your Delta E credit on Expedia and enjoy your Delta Airlines flight.